Soaring Through Regulations, a guide to drone laws in Arizona. Hello there, this is Ed Ortiz with another great video on unmanned drones. Drone flying is a popular hobby and profession in Arizona and worldwide. The state's stunning landscapes offer incredible opportunities for aerial photography and videography. However, it's crucial to remember that safety and legality go hand in hand. This essay explores the key drone regulations in Arizona to help you fly responsibly and avoid potential penalties. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting, understanding these laws is essential for a safe and enjoyable flight experience. Before you launch your drone into the Arizona skies, take the time to familiarize yourself with all applicable FAA and city regulations. This guide provides a starting point, but remember that laws can change, and it's your responsibility to stay updated. Always check for the latest rules and guidelines from the FAA and relevant Arizona authorities. By understanding and following these regulations, you contribute to the safety of our airspace and the enjoyment of our beautiful state for everyone. Federal Aviation Administration, FAA rules your national guidelines. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, establishes drone regulations that apply nationwide, including Arizona. These rules are categorized based on the purpose of your drone operation, commercial or recreational. For commercial drone pilots, obtaining a remote pilot certificate is non-negotiable. This involves passing the FAA's Aeronautical Knowledge Test, demonstrating your understanding of airspace regulations, flight operations, and safety procedures. This certification is your license to operate commercially and is essential for any drone-related business activity. Hobbyist drone pilots, while not requiring the same certification as commercial operators, still have to adhere to the FAA's recreational model aircraft rules. One of the key requirements is taking the Recreational UAS Safety Test, TRUST, an online exam designed to educate recreational pilots about essential safety guidelines. Additionally, if your drone weighs over 0.55 pounds, you must register it with the FAA, a process that involves a small fee. Government employees using drones for official purposes have specific guidelines to follow. They can operate under Part 107 or obtain a Certificate of Authorization, COA. A COA is typically required for operations that deviate from standard Part 107 regulations such as flying in restricted airspace. Navigating Arizona's drone laws, safety first. Arizona has specific state laws governing drone use, emphasizing safety and responsible operation. These laws address potential hazards and ensure that drone pilots prioritize the well-being of people and property. One crucial aspect of Arizona's drone laws is the prohibition against interfering with law enforcement, firefighters, or any manned aircraft. Always be mindful of your surroundings and yield the right-of-way to these essential services and aircraft. Flying too close to a person or property can be deemed disorderly conduct under state law. Maintain a safe distance and prioritize the privacy and safety of others. Arizona law also establishes no-fly zones around critical facilities, such as power plants and hospitals. These restrictions aim to prevent accidents and ensure the smooth operation of vital infrastructure. Flying within 500 feet horizontally or 250 feet vertically of these facilities is strictly prohibited. Local ordinances and resources. Staying informed. While Arizona's state law generally preempts local drone regulations, it's essential to be aware of specific ordinances that might be in place. Always check for local rules, especially in cities and counties with designated drone parks or stricter regulations. For instance, Prescott Valley has a drone use policy outlining guidelines for city employees operating drones for official purposes, such as emergency management or law enforcement. Phoenix, on the other hand, has designated drone parks within the city where drone flying is permitted. However, takeoff and landing in other city parks and preserves are generally prohibited. Maricopa County follows similar restrictions, prohibiting drone use in county parks and recreation areas not explicitly designated for such activities. Remember, laws can change, and it's your responsibility to stay updated. Resources like the FAA website, the Arizona Department of Transportation, and websites specializing in drone regulations can provide the most up-to-date information. By staying informed and following these guidelines, you contribute to the safe and responsible enjoyment of drone flying in Arizona. Thank you for your time and attention to this video. God bless you all. Ed Ortiz is out till the next video.